Hello, traders. Today is Monday, July 14th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar Swiss. And we're going to start off on the daily time frame. So, on the dollar Swiss, overall, I am definitely still very bearish. I still think that this move up we're seeing is very, very likely just to pull back to this wave. I think it's going to very likely go to a Fibonacci retracement level and end up continuing the downtrend. But we do not have like that one, two, three waves up to a fib level and engulfing down yet. So we'll probably do eventually have more upside. Kind of seems like it maybe needs to go down a little to finish off a wave B before it continues up to make a wave C, before it actually bounces from a fib level and continues the weekly, monthly time frame downtrend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, it definitely looks impulsive right here. So more than likely, this could be like a wave A right here. This could be like a wave B, and this potentially could spend the next day or two going down for a wave C. It could even go down and take out these lows right here if my daily time frame is correct. And you kind of got to zoom out a little bit to see that. But what if this whole thing right here is an A, and then this is an A, a B, and this is a B, a B, and then it goes down for a C, a B, and then ends up going back up. I think that right there is probably the more likely scenario because it seems like it needs to make a more proper ABC correction for the wave B and then a more proper ABC correction for the whole correction on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.